guys, welcome back to my channel Bake Your Dreams, and today we are going to make caramel custard. Basically, caramel custard is a pudding or a caramel pudding. It's a custard dessert with a layer of clear caramel sauce. Basically, it's a dessert with an egg, but we are making it eggless. So let's prepare our caramel first. For that we need a pan and take 1/4 cup of sugar and 4 tablespoons of water. So guys, earlier I had quite the trouble getting the caramel right. Several times I have attempted to make caramel, but I had two recurring problems. Either the caramel didn't form at all and I was left with the bowl with nothing but water and sugar, or the caramel formed too quickly, leaving me with a burnt mess. Bring to a boil and reduce heat to a medium low. As soon as your sugar syrup starts becoming golden, so turn off the gas, otherwise your caramel will burn. It's a very easy recipe guys, you can easily make at home. I'm a big fan of caramel custard. I always make this in my house. You have to work quickly while making caramel, otherwise it will be hot. As soon as its color changes, turn off the gas, otherwise it will burn. Guys, here I am using silicone molds. Grease the molds using butter, and you can use any pan like ramekin molds or glass bowl or any aluminium pan also. Pour caramel syrup into each mold and let it sit for at least 10 minutes. Guys, as you can see, it sets properly, and if I reverse the mold, it will not fall. Now let's prepare a mixture for custard. For that we need half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, and I am using veg gelatin here, 1 tablespoon. You can use agar-agar powder also, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Mix this mixture very well and keep it aside for around 10 minutes. Now take a pan and add 1 cup of milk. So after the milk, it's time to add condensed milk. I'm using 1/4 cup of condensed milk here. And if you don't want to use condensed milk, you can skip this and use sugar instead. Add the mixture that we prepared earlier and keep stirring it. Mix well and bring to a boil, and after that turn off the heat, and our custard mixture is totally ready. So pour the custard mixture over the caramel syrup. Now take a pan and fill it with water and bring it to boil. After boiling, place the silicone molds in it. We have to give steam to our custard. Close the lid and cook it for around 20 to 25 minutes. Guys, there is one more option. You can also bake it. Take a baking tray, pour water into it and place your mold. Then preheat your oven at 200 degrees Celsius and bake this for around 20 to 25 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. So guys, our custard has been steamed. Now keep it in the fridge for 2 hours before serving. So after 2 hours, it's time to demold our caramel custard. So guys, caramel custard is a delicious blend of caramelized sugar sauce topped over custard made of a mix of milk and condensed milk along with vanilla essence. Usually caramel custard is made with an eggs, but this recipe is totally eggless. So now you can garnish with any seasonal fruit, whether it is apple or strawberry, blueberry, anything. Guys, it's very creamy and easily melt in your mouth. Guys, do try this recipe, and if you do, then please tag me and drop a message on the comment section. So guys, show us some love, like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also please press the bell icon to get notified whenever we post a new video.